Hey there, Kim Wolf with AffiliateMarketingInformant.com here. Thanks for checking out my Digistore24 Academy review. Now, Digistore24 Academy is a training course designed to teach people how to make money with Digistore24. Now, I found this product in doing the research for my killer playlist called Digistore24 Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. If you haven't watched those yet, definitely go check those out as well. I cover everything about Digistore24, including how to set up your account, how to set it up correctly to make sure you get paid in the quickest amount of time possible. I also cover things like the top Digistore24 products to promote right now. And then I even deep dive into a few of the Digistore24 offers and show you how to make money from those offers as an affiliate. So when I found this product, this Digistore24 Academy membership site, I knew I had to buy it. I knew I had to review it and add it to this playlist as a potential option for you for learning how to make money online with Digistore24. And that's what I'm going to do in this review. I'm going to tell you if Digistore24 Academy is worth your money or not. I'm also going to tell you what's good about it, what's not good about it. I'll talk a little bit about who it's really for, and then be sure to keep watching because at the very end, I'm going to tell you the only way to buy this course if you decide it's right for you. Now we are going to jump inside of the training area. So the thing you need to know about Digistore24 Academy is that it's a crash course in what's called direct response marketing. You will learn the basics of marketing 101 that can essentially make you a lot of money. And what you get inside of 24 Academy is going to be a total of 18 video lessons. Now included in that is going to be a couple of bonuses, a few recorded webinars, and some training on co-channel, which is actually the upsell to this offer, and we're going to talk about that a little bit more. Now, Digistore24 claims to be the blueprint for creating a successful business on the Digistore24 platform. You will learn skills like direct response marketing, mindset, copywriting, email marketing, how to build landing pages, how to build offers, how to construct those offers. So here is what is good about this particular training course. This training really dives you into the marketing aspect and component and the psychology piece and human buying behavior of marketing. The course was created in September of 2020, which means that the lessons and the training and the practices and sort of the strategies you learn are fairly current at the time of this video. So that is a good thing for you. And you can get this training for just $1. So they have a $1 trial promotion to get this training course. And keep watching because I'm going to talk about that and I'm going to talk about how to maximize that $1 so that you get the most out of that $1 and you don't waste your hard-earned money. Now, as I went through the training myself, I thought it was a pretty good beginner course on direct response marketing. And here are some of the things that I learned that I thought were good for you to learn as well. In the understanding the right mindset for success, and in this training, you're going to learn things like why you need to have a failure mindset and why this actually contributes to your success. You're going to learn how to be an action taker and how this actually sets you up for success. Next, in the what is direct response marketing, you'll learn the heart of direct response marketing and you'll actually see some real life examples of how this actually works. In the creating offers and building lists training, you'll learn things like the importance of having offers and email lists and how to build your email list with providing them value and asking them of something of value, which is their email address, and why it's so important to lead someone to take action from you. The copywriting secrets section is actually a really, really important section. It's going to talk to you about writing emotionally moving headlines, and it's going to show you some tips and tricks of where to get sort of keywords lists to use in your headline. It's going to give you some examples, and the cool thing about this particular section is it walks you through actual offers that are on Digistore24 and talks about what's good about them and what's not good about them, so you actually learn what you need to do in writing good copy, which can definitely impact the performance of your campaigns. The traffic basics section was actually probably my least favorite section. This training talks mostly about paid options, including like Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, etc. And that's because the trainer of this entire course, David, he actually prefers paid traffic simply because it is faster to actually get qualified traffic and leads to your offers. And that is absolutely true. However, it does require a cost investment that not everybody has in the beginning. The secrets to powerful funnels, this was actually probably one of my favorite sections in this training. This walks you through what a good funnel looks like using real life examples that he just finds on Facebook and Google, etc., just random places. And it shows you the steps that you want someone to take to get them to eventually buy from you at some step and even at multiple steps. And the email autoresponder setup section, this is a little bit misleading in the sense that it talks mostly about strategy. It does not talk about the technical details of actually setting up your email autoresponder. It walks you through more of the strategic side of how to execute your emails, how to set them up, and how to talk to your audience for the best potential outcomes. Here is what you need to know before you buy. Unfortunately, the first problem with this training is that it's half-baked. It has a lot of promise on the sales page, but it doesn't actually live up to its expectation because it's missing some of the key promises like this. One of the key promises of this training is weekly live think tank workshops. So essentially, there should be new training every week. There's actually only 2 think sessions, and they're from November and December of 2020. So nothing new has been published since then. Another promise of the actual sales page is going to be access to a Facebook group so that you can ask any questions and connect with like-minded marketers, etc. You'll have access to community Facebook group where I do weekly webinars with members of the community. This Facebook group is nowhere to be found. So don't expect access if you buy this. Also, some of the training videos throughout this course will actually mention downloads. So cheat sheets, helpful downloads, templates, they're nowhere to be found. So they're not actually included in the descriptions as the videos promise. The second issue I have with this training is this guy David, who is obviously behind the sales page, he's behind the affiliate program, and he's obviously behind a lot of these training courses. He is no longer with Digistore24. And according to his LinkedIn profile, he only worked for Digistore for 8 months. Now, he is typically an independent contractor, so that might have been by design. However, there seems to be nobody supporting this course because he is gone. And what I found interesting about David is that he also was a marketing manager for ClickBank, which is a similar competitive network. So one of the third things that I found cautious for newbies is the fact that he does push paid traffic over organic traffic. And like I mentioned earlier, this is okay if you have the money to invest, but if you don't have the money to invest, how can you do that free ways, which there are tons of free ways, and that's what we specifically do on Affiliate Marketing Informant. We currently do not pay for any ads. We do all organic free traffic methods, which means producing high quality content, attracting targeted leads, which could eventually lead to sales to our affiliate offers. And so if you're a complete beginner and you don't have the money to invest into paid options, this training is not going to do you a lot of good. But be sure to check out my link below. I definitely have some high quality step-by-step training for you that will show you the free organic methods that we are currently using today, the exact same strategies, and how you can apply them to your affiliate business today. So as mentioned, my fourth problem with this is the fact that there is no new content being added to this. So this is what you get, these 18 lessons and nothing more. And in using this course, because David is no longer with Digistore24, it is clear that this product is no longer supported. And it is true that Digistore24 does mention vendors on Digistore24 are responsible for support, and that is true. However, you do have a product that has the Digistore24 logo with the word Academy. So it's got the name and the brand. The multiple times I reached out to support to actually get very specific questions answered about this training course, absolutely no replies, no responses whatsoever. So I emailed 3 different email addresses, everything from support to Digistore Academy. So that's one email, no response. I sent out an email to help desk and mentioned that I sent out to multiple emails, still no response. Then I reached out to David, who obviously did not respond because he's no longer there, no response. And it's not like they did not receive my inquiries, because every time you actually email these email addresses, these support email addresses, you do get an email like this confirming that your request has been received, and you get basically the timestamp, you get numbers around it, etc. So they received all my requests and no response. And just for kicks and giggles, I reached out to them recently again. Once again, what do you think? no response. So in buying this, I actually found it very difficult to cancel, and that's unfortunate because that is some promise on the sales page. Basically at the bottom, it says that you can cancel anytime, especially when it's mentioned the monthly fee of what this training program costs. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, there are some bad links in here. So you see this imprint, you click on it, it actually goes nowhere. And in the training, in some areas like this, you have to be careful because it doesn't actually teach you step by step the actual integration or the technical side of implementing. It teaches you more of the strategy side. So if you can handle that, it's a good course for that perspective. But I imagine a lot of people are going to need the also step-by-step training of how to do organic free traffic, how to set up your autoresponder, how to set up your funnel pages, etc. And one little thing to nitpick in the email autoresponder setup is that in talking about the strategy of how to set this up and how to actually email your customers, David does mention some tools. He mentions MailChimp, which is unfortunate because MailChimp does not like affiliate marketers. So if you're a vendor on Digistore24, then you can probably get away with MailChimp. They have very clear copy that says they don't like affiliate marketing because they think it's gamey. And unfortunately, affiliate marketers have given us a bad name. So MailChimp is not a recommended email autoresponder. He also talks about GetResponse, which is a better one to use. That is the one that we personally use for affiliate marketing and format. But that was a little issue that I had with this particular training. Now, just say that you do want to actually buy this course, that you actually think you would find value in learning this. The thing you need to remember is going to be very marketing focused. So if this marketing topic does not interest you at all, then you not only want to maybe, consider this course is not right for you, but you may also want to consider that affiliate marketing is not right for you because the word marketing is an affiliate in that term. So you do combine the two to actually make the successful business. So looking at it from that perspective, I do recommend that if you don't understand what direct response marketing means, then I actually do highly recommend this course. However, it has issues as you just saw. So this is the only way that you should buy this course so that you don't waste your money and let me waste it for you just to tell you exactly how to do this. Okay, so here is how you actually should go through this course if you have $1 to spend. In my opinion, this course is worth $1. You're going to get a lot of valuable information. This is the only way you should buy this course. And that is going to be to sign up for the actual $1 trial right here. And it's going to be for 14 days. Make sure that you clear your schedule for 14 days and you complete the entire course in 14 days. It is actually achievable. You actually want to strive to do it for 12 to 13 days so that you give yourself a day to actually cancel this. It's only 18 lessons. Some lessons are like 20 minutes, some lessons are 40 minutes, so you probably have about 6, maybe 7 hours of training. You can easily do this over 12 to 13 days. Once you have completed the training, the next step is going to be cancel it before the 14-day trial expires, because that's when you're going to be hit with the monthly charge, and you do not want to be charged monthly. This training course is not worth the $19.95 monthly fee. And if you're in the US, you get taxed on that, so it actually comes out to be $21.55, which once again, it is not worth that money. Now, unfortunately, although it does say that you can cancel this anytime, there is no support around this course. So the instructions to cancel are actually very, very unclear. However, I have figured that out. So if you end up buying this course, then definitely go through the course as mentioned, and then check out my playlist. I'll link it on the screen when it's ready, but I am going to create a video to show you exactly what you need to do step by step to actually cancel this course, because that's exactly what I did, so I had to figure it out, so I'm going to tell you how to do it too. So no worries there. As long as you're done by 12 or 13 days, watch my video, you'll learn how to cancel. Cancel before the 14-day trial is up, and you will have only spent $1. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is if you decide to buy this for $1, you're going to be hit with an upsell for CoChannel. Now, CoChannel is going to be what they claim to be the best page building software on the planet. But what you can do is that you can add CoChannel for $1 for 30 days. So it's a $1 trial for 30 days. And then after that, you're going to be charged $97 a month. Now, honestly, I'm going to say you do not need to buy this. Don't buy this at all. Just do the $1 trial, turn this down, go through the training, and then choose your own page builder. So in our personal opinion, we use Thrive Themes, and we like Thrive Themes because it is a page builder that integrates with our WordPress website. So it's all connected, so we can manage all of the pages and posts in one place. And personally, for me and us in our business, that makes it a little easier to manage. So that is our preference over CodeChannel. But the thing about CodeChannel is it is a product by Digistore24. They get money if they upsell you on this, and this is a monthly cost, so they will not only get money, but they will get reoccurring money as well. And the sales page mentions a $97 premium plan. You can go as light as $47 or as high as $297. Now remember, that is going to be a month. So to recap, this training is only going to be good if you only pay $1 and nothing more. Otherwise, Digistore24 Academy is not worth your money. I hope this Digistore24 Academy review has helped you out. If you have any questions, comment below. If you want step-by-step free training, definitely check out the links below. And also sign up to grab my free Digistore24 cheat sheet, where I show you how to actually set up your account correctly, and I just remind you of the tips and tricks that I show you in that video. But I also show you how to find good products to promote as an affiliate. And then I will also include the free training that I'm mentioning into that cheat sheet as well, so that you not only know how to find good products to promote on Digistore24, but you can learn free traffic methods to learn how to actually drive traffic to those offers for traffic, leads, and sales. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching.